I think, I think, I think that my word can be taken on that point.
All of this block billing.
What makes a rock star law firm biller? Well, you gotta be interested in the legal field, some aspect of it at least. You gotta have a interest in either moving forward in the accounting field, or just curious about what attorneys do when it comes to their clients. Um, you know, Moving forward as a paralegal, there's nothing wrong with starting as legal billing support. You get to see a lot of things that happen in the law field through the eyes of a legal biller. So, an interest in the legal firm would help take you a long way. You definitely would not become bored, and you would always try to find some way to re-spark that interest if you start out with a really good interest. A desire to be great, and that comes with any job that you are expecting to take on. You have to want to be great. And above average research skills. I cannot talk about how the depths one would go to figure something out. Like, and this is, of course, when I'm trying to save time, I'm going to be sure that I reach out and ask, and if I'm on a deadline, all those nuances are met. But if I have the time on my hand and I run into a problem, I'm going to search every avenue that I can, including Google, to figure out a problem. You have some people that's just not in their personality, and that's just not in their work style. But I have at times been unable to find the year that an attorney has gone to law school, and sometimes we need to know that information when setting timekeepers up on the websites so that they can bill. So if that information is not given to you, then you got to research it. So Google is a great tool. You can go to the state websites as well. That gives the attorney bar information, but still knowing where to go and willing to research, that shows above average research skills. When a person doesn't let anything stand in their way to figure something out before they say, I can't do this. Let me reach out for some help. That's, like I said, with all the time and stuff. Adaptability. Sometimes we may be the last to know when we have a client who is supposed to be submitting e-bills, or a client who wants to get their invoice by email. So being adaptable, let it flow, go with the flow, and not be so resistant to when something has to change quickly. That is a helpful personality trait when it comes to being a law firm biller. Having some type of tech savviness to you. You don't have to be tech support, but understanding how programs work, knowing that if you go to file, that you are looking for maybe some print functions, or if you go to certain areas, maybe tools, just understanding that those portions of the program may be similar in all programs, and just understanding how to resolve certain issues quickly, some simple issues, system issues. Being a natural problem solver is going to help as well. Some people say that, or some people solve problems like it's nothing. It's just common sense. Oh, it's just a natural thing for them to figure out. Some people have difficulty solving problems. It takes them a little bit longer to get things done than others. If you have a natural tendency to just kind of already know about five solutions when you start hearing the problem, then this field may be for you. Having an analytical mindset where you are able to look at data and understand what the data is saying to you. Being software intuitive. Maybe you have not used a program before, but since you have used so many programs in the past, you kind of understand what areas of the program to go to in order to find what you need, in order to generate pre-bills and generate leads or make edits or just do whatever you need to do to get an invoice out the door in any software you may be introduced to. The legal field is a very facts over feelings environment. If ever something happened and say an invoice did not go out on time, the attorney is definitely going to want to know what happened and what steps have you put in place to prevent that from happening in the future. So I would definitely recommend leaving feelings at the door and being about the facts. Having that type of personality is very helpful in the legal field. Strong attention to detail. I cannot emphasize enough how strong of attention you have to have. Being able to find things quickly when it comes to scrutinizing the electronic documents or just finding mistakes quickly. Just seeing or noticing things that are out of sorts and being able to do it quickly. Mental organization. No matter how your desk looks, no matter how many performance or pre-bills are piled up on your desk or invoices, you are mentally organized and can compartmentalize what client needs what attorney's methods are, what attorney likes their invoices PDF versus Word. Being able to get yourself organized in your mind and stay organized no matter how many emails are flowing your way, no matter how your day is going, no matter what software failure you're having. Excel spreadsheets are great, but sometimes if you don't have if a law firm biller does not have that mental organization, then it can be really tough to keep on track because you're going to get interrupted quite a bit. You're going to have to seriously be a multitasker in order to be successful in this field. My sources that I use are listed: leads.org. Practice Panther is an accounting software, but their website is also full of information. They help me with some of the definitions just to make them a little bit clearer on it. It is a e-billing software as well as an accounting software. In Google, there were some free images and clip arts that I used in order to make this presentation a little bit more exciting and to get my point across and get the visuals out there for visuals like me who like to see something different on a slideshow every once in a while. All right, so if you have questions or want to learn more, I would love to be that support for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for more content. I enjoy all things legal billing. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. Like I said, I want to create or help people create a new career if they want in the legal billing field. I'm really talented at what I do, and I share freely. So let me know. I will be looking for you in the comments. I will also be looking for your email or other ways that we can connect to talk about everything law firm billing.